This is like the third. There's the third place we say, no?
No, there's the second.
There's the second place we say now after we line up and everything. So we reach up here. Right? So it's off the stairs now. Which part of the screen is was just now. And then we have to go inside this stuff. Yeah. So we're inside Napa now. This is which part the vaccination area is. So we're in now. Yeah. Okay. I am now fully vaccinated. I didn't get to show you guys me actually taking the shot. I just find that awkward to be taken off in people's face. But yeah, so 2 weeks from now I'll be officially fully vaccinated, but I have got my second vaccine and I'm happy. I'm happy to do that again. You also the process. Napas, I just find everybody's process was easy, smooth transition. Yeah, I'm very proud of the government for getting this done now. If bands for carnival could have this type of setup for costume collection, Tribe, Rogue, all these bands, I hope you are listening, Humor, everybody. If you all go through this process to get people costumes, smooth sailings. But yeah, so I'm using on I have to do a fast deposit because I lost my glasses. The last clip I remember having on my glasses was the one when I was telling you guys that we went to get doubles. Yeah, so that was the last clip of I saw myself wearing my glasses. I went to everybody's house everywhere and I just cannot seem to find my glasses. So I'm ordering 2 pairs of glasses online through Jessica. I will put her business, go on Instagram and follow her business page, Bagatelle and Loy Boutique. And I'm ordering 2 pairs of glasses. Nisha coming now. I'm ordering 2 pairs of glasses through her because I can't go around without my glasses. So yeah, I'll let Nisha say hi.
That dog around sexy was.
Are you see it?
Yeah.
So small, like a ticker puppy. Say hi. How do you feel to be fully vaxxed?
I'm not fully vaccinated.
Well, 2 weeks from now you'll be fully vaxxed, but you collected. You got your second dose. You're the most extra person I know. How do you feel?
Like I feel hot.
Today is very hot, so that could be it.
I feel like every day is hot. Once rain or falling, it's hot.
Alright guys, we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye. You like yourself? Hello, we back guys. It's after work. Nisha, come on.
Are we really back?
Yes.
Or is it like a continuation?
It is. Oh gosh. We went to get some mango pineapple smoothies from McDonald's because every single time I've been, where all these motorbike man come from? And everybody fat.
I was not watching either.
Yeah, we went to go and get some mango pineapple smoothies because, well, every single time I've been to McDonald's since they open back, they don't have no smoothies, so now that they have it, I'm taking advantage of that. How you feeling? How much hours it is after the vaccine? I am.
I'm fine. I don't know what the tiredness and thing people talking about. I did take a nap when I got home, but it wasn't like a long nap. Because when I checked the time, I was only napping for like 10 minutes or something.
I can't nap. I'm nap.
Yeah, so I feel fine. My arm isn't hurting, although that needle was a little, you know.
Yeah, the second needle. I don't feel like it was the person was rough. The second needle was just.
Yeah, it blew.
Yeah.
It's a little bit steamy.
Yeah.
The man went. Alright. Any side effects from the last one? No. Feeling any flu-like symptoms today? No, I'm fine. Alright, the needle is gonna go in and 1, 2, 3. That's what first I looked at his side because I thought it was gonna be like nothing knife is cement. And he pushed it and I go.
Glory said, don't flinch, you know, he's a big man. You're a big man, don't flinch, you know, see him.
I couldn't.
Who boys I know see me? Oh good God. Toasty?
No, first of all,
Toasty busty.
his pants was very short. A little too short than regular short. But he looked real neat and he dark. But he have a real nice clean cut, one earring. Like he look neat, but I don't know if he on me or the other. Yeah, I don't know. So, but he look good. But like my friend go do my eyebrows, so I was ooh, that close up. I have my edges. When you come back, wave. Oh, so be hoes. They say hoes before bros, chicks before dicks.
Right here.
I trying to think of what I say that
I know. I'm going to the east for the weekend, so hopefully I'll try to vlog one a day. If not, this might be the end of this vlog, but we shall see. Ta-da!
So people just call she a Oreo.
To see how Nisha this act when she see how Nisha this act when she see a frog. She trying to open the gate for me to drive out of the driveway, right? And she seen a frog over to that side, so this is why she opening the gate like this. Look. Nisha is a grown woman. Look. Open the gate properly. Open the gate properly. You didn't even open the door. Nope. Conquer your fears. Conquer your fears. Conquer your fears. Come on. Yes, it is. Come on, you got this. Look, cinnamon chair in your own.
I have to.
Cinnamon chair in your own. Come on. Come on. You got this. This is also another reason why I'm fat. Jemma feeding me this ridiculous amount of ice cream. Yeah. Just now. What are they spraying it to make it taste like bubble gum? I don't know. Yeah. Bubble gum. Cotton candy. What flavors you have?
Coconut and chocolate.
Yeah, so generic, eh? So generic. You will have a million different things to choose from, and he will choose the most generic flavors ever. What's the name of this place? Scoops Delight. Yeah, Scoops Delight. Where are we?
We are in Tunapuna.
There we go. Scoops Delight, Tunapuna. In this one. Yeah.